Good afternoon, Year 6. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about today's Destination Reader work. It's Destination Reader, 8th of Feb. Now, I want you to start by casting your mind back to the last part of the story that I read. And I want you to think about this. Where was Mira in the last extract that I read? And a little challenge for you. Can you list every single character that was there with her? Mira has quite a big family, so there's quite a few people to remember. Don't worry too much about spellings. Can you list them all here? And also, there may have been someone who wasn't part of her family. So pause the video and have a go at that. Now, when you're done with that, let's get on to some new vocabulary for today. We're going to start off with the word sloping. This is a sloping path or a sloping road. Sloping can be an adjective that's used to describe something that's not flat. Some parts are higher than others. Secondly, you may have heard this term before, double parked. This car here is double parked. That means it's parked illegally next to a car that's already parked at the side of the road, and that could be blocking people's way as a result. Lastly, we've got the word repertoire. Repertoire means a range or collection of things that a person has learnt and can perform. For example, you could have a wide repertoire of songs. That means a wide collection of songs that you've learnt and that you can perform. This magician could have an impressive repertoire of tricks. Lastly, we've got the words hyacinths and honeysuckle. Those are types of plants that have lovely flowers. Now, I'd like you to read over the first part of today's extract from page 28, and when you're done, on your work, I'd like you to underline 3 different features of Nana's garden now. So three things in Nana's garden that are described, but it must describe Nana's garden now, not how it used to be. When you're done, a second question for you: how was the garden different when Mira used to live there? So pause the video, do that underlining for the first part of the question, and then can you think about that? How was the garden different when Mira used to live there? Can you find that information? Now, pause the video again and read the second part of our extract. When you're done reading, I've got a question for you that involves you making a prediction. At the end, Charlotte, who is Lizzie's mum and lives across the road from Nana Josie, she looks in to Moses's car. She has quite a strong reaction to what's in the car. So my question for you is, what do you think she saw? What do you think is in there? And why do you think that? There's some good evidence in the text here, okay? When you're done with those questions, they will help you to answer your questions on the selfie page here. First of all, you've got a set of true or false statements to sort. Some different features of Nana's garden. Some of them are true, some of them are false. Put your tick in the correct box to answer each of those. Secondly, you can write the prediction that you were thinking about on the previous page here, but make sure that you back it up. Give your reason using because. And use the reaction of Charlotte, and also maybe what we know about Moses so far, to try and justify your prediction. And that will help you to write a really good one. Good luck, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask them in the chat, okay?